Algebraic expression and identities. Multiplication of monomial by a monomial. If length of the side of a square is x, then what is the area of a square? Area of the square is equal to side into side, which is equal to x into x is equal to x square. Here is a rectangle. The length and breadth of the rectangle are x and y respectively. What is the area of the rectangle? Area of the rectangle is equal to length into breadth, that is equal to x into y, equal to xy. X and y are monomials. What operation has to be done here? Multiplication. After multiplying monomial by a monomial, what type of algebraic expression do we get? We get a monomial again. Let us learn multiplication of monomial by a monomial. Multiply 3x by 4x. Write 3x into 4x. Multiply the numerical coefficient of first monomial and numerical coefficient of the second monomial. Multiply the algebraic factor of first monomial and algebraic factor of second monomial. We get 3 into 4 into x into x. Multiplying 3 and 4 we get 12, and multiplying x and x we get x square. That is equal to 12 into x square. 12x square is the required product. Multiply 5x square y by minus 3xyz. Write 5x square y multiplied by minus 3xyz. Multiply numerical coefficient of first monomial and numerical coefficient of the second monomial. So 5 into minus 3 into x square y into xyz. Multiplying 5 and minus 3, we get minus 15, and multiplying x square y by xyz, we get x cube into y square into z. By adding the powers of same base using the exponential laws, minus 15 into x cube into y square into z. Minus 15 x cube y square z is the required product. Multiply minus 4xy by minus 9x square y square. Minus 4xy into minus 9x square y square is equal to minus 4 into minus 9 into xy into x square y square, which is equal to 36x cube y cube. Till now we have learned how to multiply a monomial by a monomial. Now let us learn how to multiply two or more monomials. Here is a cuboid. The length, breadth, and height of the cuboid are x, y, and z respectively. What is the volume of the cuboid? Volume of a cuboid is equal to length into breadth into height, which is equal to x into y into z, that is equal to xyz. X, y, and z are monomials. What operation has to be done here? Multiplication. After multiplying three monomials, what type of algebraic expression do we get? We get a monomial again. Let us learn the multiplication of monomial by a monomial. If side of the cube is x, what is the volume of the cube? Volume of the cube is equal to length into length into length, which is equal to x into x into x, which is equal to x cube. Multiplication of 3x, 2x square y, and 4xyz. 3x into 2x square y into 4xyz. What we have done in multiplication of monomial by a monomial, the same steps will be followed. First, multiply all the numerical coefficients of monomial and multiply the algebraic factors. 3, 2, and 4 are the numerical coefficients of 3 monomials, so multiply them. X, x square y, and xyz are the algebraic factors. Multiply them. So 3 into 2 into 4 into x square y into xyz. Multiplying 3 into 2 into 4, we get 24. And by multiplying x by x square y by xyz, we get x raised to 4 into y square into z, which is equal to 24 into x raised to 4 into y square into z. Multiplication of 2, 4y, 8y square, and 16y cube. 2 into 4y into 8y square into 16y cube. By multiplying 2, 4, 8, and 16, we get 1024. And multiplying y, y square, and y cube, we get y raised to 6 by adding the powers of y, according to the exponential law. Summary. Let us summarize what we have learned. Multiplication of monomial by a monomial. Product gives us again monomial. Multiplication of two or more monomials